You see this trade that I gave on the Telegram channel, that was on the 17th of December, that was 2 days ago. This trade have hit target already. Look at it right here. We closed in 80 pips profit, okay, and it was still running at this very point. And then if you come down a little bit, you see 126 pips and profit, and this is done. So target have been hit. Look at this very trade right here. Look at the target at this very point of 156.81. okay, look at it at this very point. See that this trade have hit target around this very area, and this is very, very interesting because we enter that trade within this very area, okay, this very point and this very point right here. So if you mark out this very area and this very point, this was the entry zone for the market to move upward into our target. So market did exactly as expected. So if you are on the Telegram channel and you took this position, you made profit, congratulations to you. That's very great. I don't drop anyhow signal on this very channel. That's just the truth. I drop signal that I am very sure of, okay? So if you want to join, link in the description of this very video and also the pinned comment. It is a free Telegram channel. And also, I show you guys the gold trade that I gave right here, okay? This was a buy position for gold. Of course, we left this trade because the market was moving somehow and it was at break even. That is no profit, no loss. Of course, market still move in that predicted direction. So the question is, what next on the price of USDJPY and gold? And that is what I want to discuss with you right now. So if you look at this very price action, you can agree with me clearly that the market has moved upward, okay? Market moved from this very point where we took this very trade around this very area, and then we have little retracement here. Market moved upward. If I were you, I would not take any trade again from this very point. So I will allow today to go. Already this is weekend, for the market to have a reset. So I am expecting retracement personally on price action right now. So there is no need taking a position from here, be it buy or sell position. So what I will do is for the market to retrace. So I am looking for retracement of this very market into this very area, okay, before the next pump to the upside, because I believe personally that the market is still going to move upward, but we need to pay attention to that carefully. So expect the market to retrace into this area, then the next move continuation. So market move from here upward. What we're waiting for right now is retracement, then continuation. So I'll be dropping this signal as well. Once retracement that I'm expecting from here come down and retracement end within this very area, continuation is going to move upward. I'll give that trade on this very Telegram channel as well. So link in the description if you want to partake in that very trade as well, coming shortly. Especially it's going to come next week. If you look at the price of gold right at this very point, discover that gold has been moving upward, which is also good. I was talking about gold moving upward, and this is a last move for the price of gold in my opinion. I believe that market on the price of gold is going to sell off. I already gave that very sign on the Telegram channel right here a few minutes ago. Gold will sell off next week. Very important. So I'll be looking for a sell opportunity on gold next week, not this week anymore, because we've come to the end of the trading week already. So from this very point, I'll be expecting that the market on gold come back to the downside, and this is very, very simple. So within this very area, I'm expecting gold to sell off, okay? That is my expectation from this moment moving forward. So the setup is very, very great from this very standpoint. So if you look at the 4 hours chart, so the 4 hours chart right here will give us a little inner perspective into what gold is going to do in the next coming week, and that is what I am now expecting now. So from here, I will wait for this very market to go below this very area. That is what I am expecting. First thing first, market have to go below this very little support right here. This support is not a very strong support, but I am expecting that the market move upward, come back down, break this very support. Once this support is broken, then I'll be looking for a sell opportunity coming back down on the price of gold from this point moving forward. this is what I am now expecting on this very price action. So if you consider this as the entry and you take this sell position 2 or this short position 2 and you put it right at this very point, and the take profit target of course should be below right here, okay, and then the stop loss will be around this very area, okay. This is how it's going to look like after a breakout of this very level of support. So don't just take a trade, okay, where the market is right now. Market can move up. I really want to see that the market come back down. First of all, breakout of these very points. Once I see that breakout of this level of support, then I will consider taking a trade to the downside, and that trade is going to hit 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. It's going to have a very high reward. That's the point. And this is very, very important. So on the price of gold, do you think we're going to see more new highs on the price of gold? That means you're not expecting market to sell off on the price of gold next week. What do you think? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos.